Hello and welcome to English Time YouTube channel. Today we will learn 13 easy and useful Urdu to English sentences. So without wasting your important time, let's get started. Number 1. बैठ जाओ. Sit down. Sit down. तुम वहीं रहना. You stay there. You stay there. वहाँ मत जाओ. Don't go there. Don't go there. वक्त की पाबंदी करो. Be punctual. Be punctual. छोड़ो इसे. Leave it. Leave it. अपना काम ध्यान से करो. Be careful about your work. Be careful about your work. बुरी आदतें छोड़ दो. Give up bad habits. Give up bad habits. खाना खूब चबाकर खाओ. Chew the food well. Chew the food well. खुद को सुधार लो. Mind your ways. Mind your ways. दांतों को ब्रश कर लो. Brush your teeth. Brush your teeth. मुझे उठा लेना. Wake me up. Wake me up. बेवकूफ मत बनो. Don't be silly. Don't be silly. मेहमानों की खातिर करो. Attend to the guest. Attend to the guest. Thanks for watching and please don't forget to subscribe for more interesting videos. Allah Hafiz.